Matís is a dynamic knowledge company that provides diverse research and innovation services in the food and biotechnology industries. It operates branch centers throughout Iceland, and its main headquarters are located in Reykjavik. Operations here at Matís are very diverse, and there are numerous specialty fields, for example in the food industry, biotechnology, environment science and genetics. Within these fields, there are strong connections with the business, industrial and academic environments.
The University of Iceland greatly values its long and fruitful collaboration with Matís. Working with such a dynamic organization is very rewarding and gratifying, and together we build a bridge between the university and business and industry.
Companies often lack a research and development capability, and it's therefore very important to connect the university community through Matís to companies with the objective of building up the knowledge base necessary to further develop their products and their processes.
By working together, we are strengthening fields such as food science, food engineering, nutrition, pharmacology, biotechnology, in an effort to find better ways to utilize the raw materials available to us, to find new raw materials, both for food and pharmaceutical production, and to find new methods to produce valuable materials. In regards to food science, we have worked on joint projects with Matís and others throughout Iceland to introduce these studies to students and to discuss opportunities available to them after graduation.
Many years ago, when Matís was established, the decision was made to place emphasis on educating our staff. Today, about 1/3 of our employees have a Ph.D. We also have very high-quality equipment, so we can develop a product from the idea stage all the way through the value chain to the end product.
This cooperation also involves Matís employees participating in teaching, and our students have the opportunity to use the outstanding facilities at Matís to work on projects. And the work we do together in various fields make a big difference to our national economy. Moreover, these fields have been defined internationally as among the most important in efforts to meet the expanding global need for food, and to meet these needs in both a safe and sustainable way.
We have very strong connections on both sides of the Atlantic Ocean, both in Europe and the United States, and even in Asia, and most recently in Australia and New Zealand, and Africa. These are connections with dynamic universities, as well as very strong connections through large joint projects with multinational companies, including the two largest food companies in the world, Nestlé and PepsiCo, as well as biotechnology companies such as Roquette and Roche and others. These major companies and universities look to us because of our specialized knowledge here in Iceland, as well as because of our unique natural resources. We have an especially interesting biosystem here in Iceland, which is home to various organisms and materials that these companies are interested in studying. And then, of course, there is the clean ocean surrounding Iceland and all the natural resources and raw materials that it contains, which we can use to create valuable products.
By merging our capabilities, we are able to achieve more, which ultimately is advantageous for Iceland.
Matís' mission is to help create added value in the food and biotechnology industries, ensure food safety, and improve public health.